Hi, good morning guys. Today, we'll be showing you some language similarities. Filipino and Indonesian. So, without further ado, let's show it.
Anak,
Anak,
mata,
mata,
bangon,
bangon,
payong,
payung,
guro,
guru,
puti,
putih,
mura,
murah,
gunting,
gunting,
pinto,
pintu,
sapatos.
sepatu.
So, ayun guys, nakita natin, marami tayong pagkakapareha ng salita ang mga Filipinos at mga Indonesian. Sa susunod, try naman natin ng iba.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like, and share.